Hi, I'm Heike from Genii. I'm here to give you an introduction to the BlackBerry Z10. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. BlackBerry is back, and with a sleek new smartphone that's built for business. The Z10 has an 8 megapixel camera, 16 gigs of built-in memory, and it's LTE compatible, so you're well placed for a 4G future. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. Your Z10 comes with an AC charger, USB cable, headphones and guides. To get started, remove the back, insert your micro SIM, then the battery, and replace the cover. Now press the power button until the screen comes to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Your Z10 will default to English, so swipe left to continue. You can choose to complete the setup using Wi-Fi if you have access, or swipe left to skip. Now agree to the BlackBerry license agreement. To get immediate access to BlackBerry Messenger and BlackBerry World once setup is complete, create or sign in with a BlackBerry ID. Next, you can choose to enable or disable diagnostic and location data collection, which helps Research in Motion improve its BlackBerry products. Whatever you select, you can always change after setup in the settings menu. Your Z10 will now check for software updates. Tap Continue to install. Lastly, you can watch the quick video on BlackBerry gestures, then setup is complete. That's your Z10 all set up. I'll now explain some of the standard device features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while on any active screen. To unlock the device, press the power button and swipe across the screen. This will display the main home screen. You can quickly access your camera directly from the lock screen by pressing and holding this icon. To adjust ringer volume, press the volume up or down button. Swipe down from the top of the screen to select how you want to be notified of new happenings on your phone, including turning vibrate on and off. For extra security, we recommend you create a password lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. Swipe down to show the toolbar and tap Settings, then tap Security and Privacy. Now tap Device Password and swipe to turn on. Enter, then confirm your password to set. To leave an app at any time, swipe up from the bottom frame and tap to close, or swipe right from the BlackBerry Hub or left for the apps menu. To open an app, just tap on it. Swiping up minimises the app in your recent activity window, and you'll clear all recent activity by tapping to close. Your Z10 has a number of home screens for the display of apps. To navigate between these screens, swipe your finger from side to side. The number shows what screen you're in, and tapping the menu icon takes you to the hub for quick access to your most important apps. Next, we'll take a quick look at personalising the screens. Your Z10 allows you to customise many things, like wallpaper, font size, and ringtones. Swipe down to show the toolbar and tap Settings, then Display. Tap Select to browse the wallpaper options. Back in the display menu, tap Font Size and select an option that suits. BlackBerry World is where you'll find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find an app for almost anything, from social and business networking through to life planning and navigation. There are great free apps too, like Cisco WebEx, which lets you join web conferences right from your Z10. Just tap on the BlackBerry World icon on the home screen. Browse the categories or type the app you're after into the search bar. Tap on your chosen app for more information and to download. A great time saver is the hugely intuitive BlackBerry keyboard. It suggests words as you type and can also adjust itself to your typing style to help minimise mistakes. We'll demonstrate this by creating a text message. Tap on the text message icon from the app menu, then tap Compose. Tap the message window, then start typing words in the keyboard. You'll see words come up. Swipe up from the letter that corresponds with the word you're after and it'll appear in the message window. Swinging the phone around to landscape brings up a bigger keyboard too. Next, we'll set up email. On your Z10, the hub is where you can load all your accounts like corporate email and social media. Before you set up Exchange email, you will need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary from company to company, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your mail server administrator. Swipe right to display the hub, then tap Add Accounts. Now tap Advanced, then Microsoft Exchange Active Sync. Enter your Exchange information. There are a number of fields available, but you only need to enter the information your mail server administrator has provided and tap Next. You can browse mail settings or just tap Done to finish. Bluetooth offers you wireless connectivity over short distances from your Z10. You can use it to link devices like car kits for safe driving and headsets that let you multitask while you talk. From the home screen, scroll to the settings icon, then Network Connections and Bluetooth. Swipe to turn on, then tap to make your Z10 discoverable to other devices for 2 minutes. Scroll down the list of scanned devices until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check that the passkey matches and accept the pairing request on both devices. Bluetooth devices vary, so you may need to follow specific instructions to pair. Your Z10 has some great features you'll no doubt discover soon, like Adobe Reader and BlackBerry Messenger. But did you know you can turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot too? When you're out and about with another wireless device, like a laptop or tablet, you can use the data connection on your Z10 to connect other wireless devices. From the Apps menu, tap Settings, then Network Connections, and then Mobile Hotspot. Run through the instructions, then set a password for access. You can swipe to turn your Wi-Fi hotspot on and off. On your laptop or tablet, turn Wi-Fi on. Select the network name, then enter the password you set on your Z10. The last feature we'll cover is power management. We'll give you some quick tips to extend the life of your battery so you can stay connected for longer. Reducing the time it takes for your screen to time out is a good way to save power. Swipe down to show the status bar and tap Settings, then Display. Tap to select a shorter time. You can also reduce brightness to save power here too. Swiping down from the status bar again lets you quickly turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to save power as well. If your battery is critically low, you can always switch it to airplane mode. Do this by tapping Settings, then Network Connections, and swipe to turn on or off. You're now on your way to discovering even more in your BlackBerry Z10. Have a look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.